In this section, we'll introduce how you can make payments. Here we're going to cover how to make a new payment. The payment function is available everywhere throughout the application, including the overview screen, where it's here in the top right corner. On this screen, you can choose between selecting a debit account or uploading a bulk file. Selecting a debit account will enable you to make a single payment, while selecting a bulk file takes you through the bulk payment process. For now, we will choose a debit account, which enables us to make a single payment. Here you can choose between making an outgoing payment or to make a payment between your own accounts. If you're making a payment between your own accounts, then click Select Credit Account and choose the account you want to send money to. Then the amount, the value date, and the payment details. Then you click Initiate Payment. Let's have a look at making an outgoing payment. Here you need to type a beneficiary name. Then you add the account you want to transfer the money to. If you choose a valid IBAN, then the financial institution will be filled automatically. You next enter the address of the beneficiary. Enter the amount you want to transfer. In this example, both the amount and the transfer currency are in euros. But I could also transfer the money in US dollars, and this would give me the option to choose the amount either in euros or US dollars. But for now, we want to transfer 100 euros in US dollars. Next, you select the value date, which in this case is today, and add some payment details. You also have the option to make this a recurring payment. You can also choose an activation date and a deactivation date. This example will just be a single payment. Once you're happy, you can click Initiate Payment. If needed, you will be prompted by the Authy app to approve the payment. This is for strong customer authentication, which is a requirement following from PSD2. It will show you all the relevant information about the payment and allow you to authorize it. If the payment needs to be approved by another user, the payment goes into the Pending Approvals area waiting for someone to approve the payment. If you want to, you can check the status of the payment in the Transaction area. If you wanted to upload a bulk file, then you would go through the same process as earlier. You would first click New Payment. Instead of choosing Select Debit Account, you would choose to upload a bulk file. You select the file you want to upload, but are only able to upload one file at a time. So if you have more than one file, you would have to go through the process multiple times. You have the option to delete the file if you want to upload a different one. Finally, you click Initiate, and the bulk file will be uploaded. If there are any validation errors, the file will be rejected, and you will get an overview of the errors. You will then need to upload the file again. Once again, you may get a prompt from the Authy app to follow the strong customer authentication process. Once this is done within the app, the bulk payment will be sent for and appear in the approvals area of the users, who are able to approve it. You only need to approve payments to beneficiaries who have not yet been through SCA, Strong Customer Authentication. Once a beneficiary has been SCA'd, then you would not need to do anything within the Authy app. And that was an overview in how to make and manage payments.